Let's get ready all the tools and equipment. IMEC 599M Clean GP, IMEC A flow sign, IMEC red pad, IMEC P160 pad holder, IMEC P160 floor scrubber machine, IMEC SWD1500I accessories wet nozzle and vacuum hose, IMEC SWD1500I accessories stainless steel extension wand, IMEC 524 defoam, IMEC bucket, and IMEC SWD1500I wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Insert IMEC P160 pad holder to the machine. Turn the holder anti-clockwise to lock it. Then, fit the IMEC red pad. Pour the IMEC 599 GPM clean solution into the solution tank. The dilution rate is 1 part of IMEC 599 GPM clean to 3 parts of water. Press the handle adjustment trigger to adjust the handle height to suit your requirements. Release when done. To start the machine, press the safety button and actioning trigger. Release the safety button when the machine starts running. Scrub systematically in sections. Open the tank safety lock on both sides. Remove the motor from the tank. And pour 3 capfuls of IMEC 524 defoam into the tank. Then, assemble the motor on the tank and lock it. Insert the vacuum hose into the vacuum. Join the extension wand. Connect it to the vacuum hose. Then, attach the wet nozzle to the extension wand. To start vacuum, turn on the switch. It is recommended to turn on both switches for faster and more powerful suction. Vacuum the dirty solutions, ensuring overlapping of each pass. Vacuum the balanced water in the solution tank before store the scrubbing machine.